Welcome to JH. Let's talk about starb100.com, the website claiming to hand out $100 Starbucks gift cards just for completing a simple survey. It sounds like a dream for any caffeine addict, but is it actually legit or just a digital trap? Let's break it down together. First off, we ran a check on the domain and found it was registered on November 9th, 2025. It hasn't even been online for a full month yet. In internet years, that's basically a newborn, and you probably shouldn't trust a newborn with your personal data. New websites have no track record or history, and generally, the newer the domain, the higher the risk of it being a total sham. Now, here is another massive red flag. The site offers a $100 reward, yet there is absolutely no proof that they are affiliated with Starbucks. There are no partnership mentions or verifications to be found anywhere. It's pretty clear they're just using a famous brand name to lure people in and collect their information. Honestly, it's about as convincing as a $3 bill. Then there is the issue of transparency, or rather, the complete lack of it. There's no contact page, no physical address, and not even a basic email for support. When a website hides who is behind it, it's usually because they don't want to be found once the free gift cards never arrive. Things get even weirder when you actually try to start the survey. The site immediately redirects you to a completely different domain called retailproducts.com. Why the sudden change of scenery? Nobody knows. This kind of shady redirect is a huge warning sign that your data is being bounced around for profit. It's a cheap trick to generate traffic and feels about as professional as a tuxedo made of duct tape. If that wasn't enough, let's talk about the total silence regarding user reviews. We searched Trustpilot, Reddit, and every other corner of the web, and found absolutely nothing. If people were actually getting $100 for free, they'd be shouting it from the rooftops. But instead, it's just crickets. So, what is the final verdict? starb100.com is essentially a parade of red flags. Between the brand new domain, the lack of any official affiliation, shady redirects, and zero user feedback, it is impossible to trust. If you were thinking about giving it a shot, do yourself a favor and stay far away. It's better to pay for your own latte than to pay with your private information. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay one step ahead of the scammers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe online, and I will see you in the next one.